preventing yourself from suffering from more arthritis. At any given point, there are millions and millions of adults who are having difficulty living with arthritis. It is important to remain optimistic about the disease, especially when there are so many options available. The tips and tricks in this video will help you understand and deal with the nature of the disease. If you are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, make sure you're getting enough omega-3 in your diet. If you're not, consider taking a supplement like fish oil to help get those levels up. Studies have shown that omega-3 has many anti-inflammatory benefits for those who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, measure your pain. Use a scale of 1 to 10 to let yourself know how difficult a new task is for you to accomplish. Take a measurement before the task, and again after. This will let you know how that task is affecting your body, and your life. Don't wear high heels or uncomfortable shoes unless you want to make your arthritis worse. This type of shoe is bad for your posture and puts a lot of pressure on your joints. What you should do it to purchase sneakers that are comfortable and which can give you support. Lie back, close your eyes and practice some deep breathing exercises. You will be able to forget your problems and focus on something happier. If you are a woman who suffers from arthritis in your back, you may want to think about changing what bras you wear. Believe it or not, certain bras can make your arthritis worse by putting pressure on your back. There are actually bras that are made just for women with arthritis. If you follow the advice given in this video, you will find yourself better prepared to cope with your condition. While arthritis may make it difficult to perform certain tasks, it is certainly not the end of the world. There are many options available to help you make it through each day with your arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.